I did not do any projects today. I just thought I'd show you some of the projects I've done over the last year and a half. This is one of my projects. You may be wondering what this is. I made this out of, I don't know, 6-foot something pole and whatever that twine stuff is called, and a perch. So it's for the cat. So he doesn't climb and claw my furniture, and he has a safe place to eat his food without the dog tackling him or trying to eat his feet. And then I use these brackets to hook it to the wall, and I've just put some random things in it for him to play with. But he does get a lot of use out of this and enjoys it. And I just cut carpet to fit this shelf and glued it on. And I used brackets to put the shelf on the wall. And something I did for both of my pets was put this pet door in, my screen door, so that my cat and my dog can go in and out without me having to open the screen door for them. I was not able to find that in the stores, but I found it online at Amazon. And they both use it regularly, as you can see. Another project I did for my pets was this gate to keep the dog from coming upstairs when I'm not home. Even though I messed up a little bit and I put the brackets just a hair too high. So if he wants to bad enough, he can climb under. And I did mess up once, but again, it's my house, my walls. Who cares if there's a hole in the wall? It'll eventually get covered up with paint. And then I put together this lovely little cat tree for Hugo. And the last thing I'll talk about for my pets, stuff I did for the pets, was I crocheted this string here. I know it's kind of ratty because the cat likes to just jump and attack it and hang on it. So he loves that. And then I did buy these couple things off of Amazon and hung them up, and I put a piece of carpet on this also because it was kind of slick. You can see it's kind of slick. So those are the final things that I'm going to show you that I did for the pets. And again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and help me make the channel successful. Again, my purpose is to show other females that you can do it. And even males, it doesn't matter. But I definitely want females to know they can do it. Thank you.